Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder of our intermediate class from the 25th of January. We did a basket unwind, a basket around, a continuous shoulder slide and a left-handed figure eight. All those moves have their own teaching videos, so we'll put those in the links in the description below, so if you need a bit more detail, because this is literally just an aid memoir of showing you the whole routine. So, looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. The basket unwind, we go wrap, back, forwards, unwind. We're going to re-wrap. For the basket around, we go back, forwards, backwards, offer, return, continuous shoulder slide, bringing the lady in, around the shoulders, make it circular, line the hands up to keep the lady going round. We can then open it out so the lady comes down to the left hand for a travelling return into our left-handed figure eight. And back to two hands would link you back to the top, ready for the basket unwind. And that's it. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Hope you find that helpful. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And there's a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.